Does this move back at all?
With the cross? Yeah. There's also, I just kind of tore it out of it. You got to blow that gasket. Something must have fucked up in it. Because last night it'll go into neutral and shit. Yeah. But it's all messed up. Nah. Hey, man.
I wasn't too worried. I think it was going very far. I was going to say a little fun.
I sleep under a heated blanket, and when I go home, I'm under a heated blanket. So I'm
Okay.
No, you're good. You're good. Just don't use anything stupid is what I was telling you.
I would say not to.
Yeah. Not yet. Give you enough time when you're there.
A lot of room in there to work anyway.
I stand right there. As soon as I pulled the head off, because you know the floor stuff out of it.
Yeah. Well, four races for anything. Four races for anything. I think I'd be a little better than I do. It'll do anything. I'm just saying it'll be a little easier. Yeah, racing does anything.
It's its task. See if it will. Not an auto one.
I think it's going up like super slow. Yeah. You follow the page yet? YouTube? Facebook.
There's a rollback. Good, huh? Just fucking around with the Ranger. I try to back up on that. Put the weight off the wheels and everything. Hang down in the back. Pop it all up. Plus that's two-wheel drive. Yeah, so pretty useless in the snow as well.
Off that wall a little bit. Should. Probably not off, but should. Hey, it's not the little one, grab the bigger one.
dumb as fuck. Give it.
What?
Here you go.
Going on fast.
Oh, that's my neck. I was just giving it to you.
At this point, yeah.
Ain't going nowhere.
I'll throw that in my truck.
Try hitting it with your head. That might be
Yeah,
harder
fucking
than
thicker
the
than
shovel.
anything else.
Excuse me.
Yeah, not in the bed. Shit.
No shit, it was a joke. That's why there's a dog shot collar back here.
We should put that on Matt.
So we can put it. I was gonna say, so we can put it on Matt.
It's a
You're on
dog shot
probation
collar.
again.
We're gonna put it on you.
Because we're gonna put a dog shot collar on you.
No.
Why the fuck not?
No.
Matt, you must
Shock
have
you
shoveled
when
with a
you're being
picky
an
finger. The
asshole.
snow seems to move pretty easy.
Come on, Cobby, redeem yourself.
Redeem yourself.
Remember what I said? Be a turbo. Turn it into
He's
booze.
nothing like that.
No, just be tore. Just be tore.
I don't see why the Ranger wouldn't pull this.
Me neither. Yeah.
Oh my god, the thing got a tow point. Holy shit. Jackie, you wouldn't believe it.
Yeah?
That car's got a tow point literally right behind my leg.
It was made for this.
Yeah, sure. We'll go.
They must know Psalms get dragged by 4 Rangers because the tow point literally right there behind that bumper. Oh, if you want to hook that there, that strap should be strong enough. You want to
Get out like this and then I'll get in front of it.
Yeah. Okay.
Pull it forward.
Is that gonna stay? Probably not.
Oh, I'm definitely getting raped.
I'm getting raped. Yeah.
See what the fuck you can do?
Oh yeah. Getting raped in the butt. Getting raped in the butt. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ford Ranger for work, bud. Ford Ranger's built for it. Bump start that man. Bump start that man.
Resting spot. Ow. Oh no! Damn it! I didn't have to listen to this thing for. Okay, at least I get the hood open to get my battery out of it. I think Chris likes it right here. I told him if he finds another one, scrap it, let me know. Pretty mint, huh? Yeah. Hey, you want me to leave this in neutral?
Well, that was fun.
Like that.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, you locked her up already.
Aw, Jackson, what'd you do?
Why that?
I killed it before you guys did. Pre-booted it.
I gotta figure out how to get this stuff up here. It'll be easier without gloves, huh?
Ranger rescue.
Is it a Danger Ranger now?
It's like the new recovery vehicle.
You can have that. I don't want it anymore. I'm tired of it. Great drift cars. That's all I gotta say about Saabs. They're good drift cars. That's about it, though. You can ask Matt.
Yeah.
Tokyo drifting this thing. Do you guys mess with bikes at all still or no? Bicycles?
Sometimes.
There's two right there you can have if you want.
Bye-bye.